Every day, several tech gadgets hit the market. This is great for lovers of tech gadgets. However, it's very easy for many gadgets to go unnoticed if not properly advertised. The average tech enthusiast is always on the lookout for new tech gadgets. Well, beyond the new tech gadgets as a tech enthusiast, there are gadgets you do not know are in existence. You might not have ample time on your hands to research them. You need to watch every bit of this video to discover 12 amazing tech gadgets you didn't know about. Let's get started. Number 1. Tobii. This device was built with gamers in mind. However, if you don't play games, you can still use it as it supports other functions like holding meetings, streaming, graphic editing, etc. Tobii was designed to track the movement of your eyes and head and can be used with about 160 games. This gadget can work on curved and regular screens and has a working distance of 18 to 37 inches. Additionally, if you want to connect it to one eye, you can always set it to work that way. That's not all. Contacts or glasses are not a problem. To enjoy all that this product offers, you should be willing to part with $259. Number 2. Aristos Home Dropbox. About 210 packages got missing in the United States in about 2 years. Also, stolen packages have affected more than 60% of people in the United States. This is a major challenge, and lots of solutions have been proffered. Amazingly, none of them have managed to solve this challenge. Well, if your parcel has been stolen and you're now worried about receiving something when you're not at home, you don't have to worry anymore, as there's a tool that can keep your parcel safe. This tool is the Aristos Home Dropbox. It was designed in Hong Kong and is a smart mailbox. This box is a parcel locker that features anti-theft protection. Dropping a parcel in this mailbox is very easy. However, taking one out is next to impossible if you don't have the right code or key. This device can be mounted on the floor or the wall and completely installed in about 30 minutes. If you're willing to spend $120, you can get this gadget on Amazon and not have to worry about your parcels being stolen anymore. Number 3. Fidget Spinners. Fidget spinners have been in the market for a while. However, they do not get as much attention as other gadgets. This is because people just don't know much about them. They might not be so popular. Nonetheless, they come in handy in giving adults something to play with. They come in several varieties, come in up to 5 colors, and can be gotten for about $19. Number 4. Casio GZI. You may be aware that Casio produces calculators and watches. This Japanese firm is not limited to just the above-named devices. It also produces an action camera that was built for people that take part in outdoor activities. The Casio GZI is waterproof and can be used in water bodies as deep as 64 feet. Well, this indicates that you can go swimming with it. That's not all. It will do just fine between 14 and 104 degrees Fahrenheit, and will survive when dropped from 14 feet. With a 6.9 pixel camera, you can make this device work with your smartphone. You need to download an app for this. This action camera and its features can be enjoyed for just $320. Number 5. Woodpecker's MT Central Gauge. The Woodpecker MT Central Gauge was designed for woodworking. You don't have to be a professional to use it. Amateurs can also get the best out of it. With this gadget, you can create holes in various types of furniture. This implies that your need for a carpenter will reduce significantly if you have one. The Woodpecker's MT Central Gauge weighs only 38 ounces, has an amazing design, and costs $35. Number 6. Zoom Slider. This gadget is simply a toy for adults. It was not designed to help you do anything in particular. However, if you want to ensure that your hands stay busy for a period, it can help you with this. It's sold for $400 and is made from titanium. Its price tag might seem quite on the high side. Well, when you spend on this project, you're sure of an amazing level of relaxation and addiction too. If you're worried about addiction, you might not want to get the Zoom Slider, as the firm that manufactures it promised addiction as one of its features. Number 7. Gravastar Sirius P5. Wireless AirPods are commonplace in our world. Well, smaller firms are bound to struggle with the AirPod market dominated by firms such as Apple that sell about 60 million pairs of AirPods annually and have their products used by 1 out of every 4 AirPod users. Well, other firms do not have to struggle. They need to be creative, and being creative has birthed the Gravastar Sirius P5. This AirPod is not like any you've seen. It has some features associated with science fiction and has a case that lasts up to 40 hours when fully charged. Also, the inbuilt battery lasts 4 hours. This AirPod features 3 modes: movies, games, and music. Also, it blocks out environmental noise while being used. If you want to buy 1 pair of AirPods with 3 shells, you'll be spending $140. However, with just a shell, you'll have to spend $90. Number 8. Tritium Ring. This ring isn't like the regular rings you see every day. It's made from TC4 titanium alloy, the same material used in making airplane parts, rockets, and marine turbines. So, there has to be something special about it. This ring possesses a gas insert housed in a pressurized bulb that glows in the dark. Additionally, it has a lighting lifespan of 1/4 of a century. To purchase this ring with a mass of 0.1 ounces, you'll need to pay $91. Number 9. Anti-Theft Monitoring Alarm. The anti-theft monitoring alarm might not mean much to people that have never had to go to public places with their laptops. Nonetheless, it could mean the world to a freelancer. If you always have to use your laptop in public places, this device can do you a lot of good if you step away from your table for a moment. The average person stepping away from their table will be worried about the safety of their laptop or other gadgets. If you want to feel free to move around and not think about anything, the anti-theft monitoring alarm is what you need. This gadget triggers an alarm and turns red if it spots any movement. Also, you receive a notification since it's connected to your phone. This alarm stays on for as long as you want it. However, if you head back to your table, it goes off on its own accord. You can get this device for just $64. With what it brings to the table, it's cheap. Number 10. Wicked Egg. Pets are quite like babies, and you might feel guilty when you leave them alone in the house. Well, if you've always felt slightly guilty for leaving your fur baby alone in the house, you can end this feeling by getting the Wicked Egg. This device shaped like an egg was designed to keep them busy for up to 4 hours at a go. This is because it stays on for about 4 hours when it's fully charged. This toy in the shape of an egg can be trusted to keep your pets entertained for as long as they're willing to play. That's not all. It also functions like a treat. This gadget comes with several modes and a tasty bonus that a pet can enjoy if it can tilt it 6 times. What's more, if you don't want your pet to get a treat, feel free to take out the treat alternative. This device, which gets fully charged in less than an hour, can be bought for $42. Number 11. Hug. Hug is a collapsible mug that was designed to be secure and sturdy. It allows its owners to drink from a cup of 9 different sizes. So, it's up to you to decide how long you want it to be. With a mass of around 4 ounces and a capacity of about 20 ounces, this device can be trusted to keep heat very efficiently. This cup is worth $18 and also plays a role in keeping the environment clean, since you don't have to worry about disposing. Number 12. F8 Bone Conduction Speaker. This device has a mass of 1.7 ounces, gives out up to 115 decibels in sound, is about 5 times louder than the average smartphone speaker, and was designed to work with bone conduction. You can use this product in whatever way you deem fit, for entertainment or meetings. Furthermore, it comes with a long-lasting battery. Its battery stays on for about 3 hours when it's used as a lamp and about 90 minutes when it's used in playing music. It features an app and costs $50. If you liked one of the gadgets, check out the description for the links to the products. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to our channel, and press the notification bell so you may not miss any future updates. See you in another video. Until then, take care.